Hello guys, and welcome to my new video about this small aroma diffuser, Stadler Form Lucy. Well, I have decided to take a video also about this thing, as it's so popular in recent years. So let's take a look inside. It's nicely packed. You've got USB cable here, some information papers, warranty, stuff like that. The USB cable is actually USB-C with USB-A on the other side. It's for charging the aroma diffuser. So I really like that it comes with the USB-C cable. The whole length of the cable is 100 centimeters, but here is the small information use, only 5 volts to amperes, so probably you shouldn't connect it to some like fast charger that can supply higher wattage. So let's take a look at the diffuser itself. It does come in 3 different colors: black, white, or this one gold. As you can see, it looks pretty much nice. It's really beautiful. It looks like candle. Really look at that light, how it reflects on the surface. I think, well, as I said, it looks like candle. I think it was the main point of the designer to make it this way. Diffuser can be like opened really easily. This is so lightweight and easy. We take a look inside. This is water container, 50 milliliters of water maximum. We've got maximum mark. There is another small mark that says 12 hours, so probably if you fill it up to the full, it will work for 12 hours, maybe. There's a small LED light here. Here at the back, you can find the USB-C connector for charging, notification LED light, on-off button, and LED dimmer, so it can be like full LED light, dim, or LED off. And at the bottom you can see many rubber pads, which helps to hold the diffuser on the table properly. So what's so special about this diffuser? First of all, we'll have this small LED light, I'll show you later, here, that will look like candle. So basically you can, that amber light can be dimmed or switched off completely if you don't like it. You wanna just like use it as a diffuser, but with the light it's gonna be really nice. Another special thing, it's a mobile diffuser because it has integrated battery. When charged, it can last up to 7 hours, so you can actually take it with you somewhere, to the hotel or whatever. Oh, I mean, there you would have a charger obviously, but even if you go camping, you can take it with you and use it without electricity. Also, it has automatic switch off, so when water container is empty, it will switch off automatically. And obviously you can drop some scent oils there also with water, so no problem with that. Okay, it didn't come pre-charged, so I'm gonna connect it to the power source. Small LED light is on. So when I try to turn it on with the button, it will flash 3 times, and that means it's not starting because I didn't fill it with water yet. So as you can see, it cannot be turned on accidentally without water in it. Another a bit important information, as you can see, this piece of plastic from the back of the max mark, there is like small hole. So in the case that you have water inside and you would like to change that water, like you would like different scent or whatever, you should always empty it this way, never this way or to the side, because the water should not get inside of that small hole. It's very important. If the water get there, the diffuser is damaged for good. So always empty it this way. And also I do recommend to use demineralized water, because obviously, especially if you live in the area with hard water, it might, like, the lime might start building inside of it and maybe it will get damaged. But it's the same like with the iron or something like that. You always use demineralized water, I guess. Well, on the other side, you can use normal water, tap water. That's no problem at all. But as we do other stuff like I don't know, iron or something like that, the limescale will build up inside. In that case, you can freely use any descaler and clean it up. But you can save the hassle and just use demineralized water. Very important. This is common sense. When it's filled with water, never start moving it up and down. Always try to move it only horizontally. Otherwise, the water will get into the parts where it shouldn't and it might damage your diffuser. I'll press the on-off button at the back. And look at that, it's so beautiful. Really, it looks like candle. I'll try with the top button for dimming the LED light. So dim or off, but it's still working. I can feel it. I've tried to make it a bit darker around here, so you can see it also makes a little bit of light around this area, so it looks so nice. Really, this is one of the nicest diffusers I've seen. Another thing, it's so quiet. I'll put it closer to the microphone. Can you hear something? Literally nothing. So it's really very quiet, very nice. Well, when I mentioned it's mobile, so we can take it to the campus, something like that. Well, more usable situation would be, for example, you wanna use it instead of candle, for example, on the table, so you won't need a cable. It's also a bit more ecological than candles, I guess, because candle is candle, still need new one. This will stay as it is all the time, but that's the main point. You can use it somewhere where you don't want to be bothered by the cable. Also, to that light by the charger, it stays on while it's charging. As soon as the battery is fully charged, the light will go off, and when you have it without the power, so it's running only on the battery and the battery will go under 10%, then it will start flashing. I'll try to unplug it. See, so nice. Well, some basic informations, as I mentioned before. Fully charged diffuser can last up to 7 hours. Fast charging needs 6 hours for battery to be charged completely for the first time. So I don't know afterwards how long it will take to charge it fully. I guess it's gonna be a little bit less. The power consumption is 10 watts, so that's just alright. And the running time on the main power, it's approximately 10 hours, so until the water tank will be empty. The weight is just 360 grams. It's a little bit bigger than my palm. So as I mentioned, fully charged can last up to 7 hours, so you can take it to the camping or something like that. So with size like this, it's no problem at all to carry it with you somewhere. So that's pretty much it about this small aroma diffuser. Pros and cons, I don't see any cons here. Pros, looks like candle. It's beautiful, especially in this gold color. It's very quiet. It's mobile, so you can charge it and use it for 7 hours without need of electricity. Power outlet. So that's it about this aroma diffuser. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.